Okay, so today we have special equations. So special equations are when x equals a number or when y equals a number. So let's start with when x equals a number. So when x equals a number, so let's say x equals -5, this is when we're going to have a vertical line. Okay, so that means all the lines are going to be straight up and down. So when x equals -5, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my x-axis here, and I'm going to go back to the number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's my -5. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line straight up and down where x equals -5. And that's it. Much shorter video compared to the last two. We're making it up for it for you guys. Now, x equals 4, same kind of way. Find 4 on the x-axis. So starting at the origin, go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is, and I'm going to just draw a line straight up and down. Next up, we have graphs where you are given the line, so you have to write out the equation. So in this one, I'll start with this guy, and I'm going to just color it in a little bit more. So there's my vertical line, and that is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So x equals 6 is the equation for that light blue line. In the next one here, I'm going to make this one red. Okay, and I'm going to just count where that is on the x-axis. So go backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's going to be x equals -7, and that's it. Same thing, but with the y's, okay, with the y's, you're going to have horizontal lines. So the lines are going to go straight across, cutting through everywhere where y is that number. So if you have y equals -5, you're going to go down on that y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to draw a line straight across. Everywhere y is -5, that's where that line is going to be hitting. And then same thing when y equals 4, except we're going to go up this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4 from the origin up. And my line is going to go straight across everywhere y is equal to 4. There it is. Next. Now we are given the lines this time. So I'll start with this guy. He's way up top here. I have a feeling that's going to be 9, but I'm going to just double check. So here's my origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Y equals 9 is that equation. And then here's my next one. Do not get them confused with the origin lines, because see how this has that X labeled on it? So that's how I know this is the X axis, and this one is not. Okay, same with here. The Y is labeled on this line, so that is an axis line. These two are not. So just, keep that in mind. Anywho, back to what we were talking about. So I went from the origin, I went down 1, 2, 3, so Y equals -3. And, that's the end of this video. So go ahead and glue that into the page that, your teacher has you glued it into.